Hello friends, today we will discuss the objectives of teaching economics at the secondary level. The objectives of teaching economics at the secondary level are designed to help students to understand economic concepts, develop critical thinking, and prepare them to become informed citizens and decision makers. So, key objectives are: first, develop economic understanding to help students to grasp basic economic concepts such as demand and supply, consumption, production, money markets, and national income, to enable students to understand how the economy functions at local, national, and global levels. Second is foster economic awareness to make students aware of current economic issues such as inflation, unemployment, poverty, budgeting, and economic development, to encourage them to follow news events related to the economy. Third is promote rational decision making. Teach students to make informed and rational choices in their personal and social lives regarding spending, saving, and budgeting, to help them to understand the opportunity cost and trade-offs involved in every decision. Next is develop skills of analysis and interpretation. Encourage the use of data, graphs, and economic indicators to analyze economic situation. It helps them to understand the graph by glancing, improve their ability to think logically and critically about economic problems and solutions. Next is encourage a responsible citizenship to create awareness of the role of citizens in contributing to the economic development of the country, to develop the attitudes of social responsibility, sustainability, and ethical behavior in economic activities. Next is to prepare for future education and careers, lay out the foundation for higher studies in economics, commerce, or business, to develop skills useful in various careers such as finance, business, civil services, or entrepreneurship. Next is understand the role of government and policies. It helps the students to understand how government policies affect the economy. For example, taxation, subsidies, and public expenditures role in the economy and people. Introduce concepts like budget, planning, and economic reforms. So these are the objectives of teaching economics at secondary level.